Welcome to All In Talk here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. We're here at the Huawei booth with amazing innovations in the industrial intelligence. Now, join me and let's go. Hi, today I'm here with Denver Zang. You're the President Enterprise Business Group for Global Marketing. It's a pleasure to be here.
Hi, brother.
Denver, can you explain more about Huawei business area? It looks exciting and really want to know.
Our theme here is accelerating industry intelligence. As you know, all industries are embracing digital and intelligent transformation, but they are at different stages of this journey. Industry customers are looking for a partner who understands their business, also has the ICT expertise to shaping their ICT target architecture, and provide innovative products and solutions. That's where Huawei could help. At this exhibition, we are showcasing scenario-based solutions for over 20 industries and innovative ICT infrastructure that support them. We've prepared some real exciting live demos. How about I show you around?
Awesome, let's go.
Let's go. Here we can see Huawei's zero roaming Wi-Fi network solution designed for automotive for production lines.
Now this video shows the process of installing the vehicle software in the production phase. Now traditionally the vehicle software typically takes about 10 minutes to install on a vehicle. When the vehicle moves, the installation can basically fail due to packet loss of the Wi-Fi roaming.
With Huawei solution, the software installation time will be reduced to 4 minutes, and the loading process will not be interrupted while the car is moving. In the future, the size of intelligence automotive software could be up to 50 gigabytes, and our solution will become extremely crucial. This area shows a next-generation mobile network for operation and dispatching for railway industry.
Yeah, where in traditional systems, basically the driver could only get the traffic information through a call or, for example, through looking. So if something happens unexpectedly, it can be challenging to react.
Now, with the high bandwidth wireless network, drivers can receive live video to have a real-time view of upcoming intersections dozens of kilometers ahead. Accordingly, they can adjust their speed in time to avoid accidents caused by obstacles like rock on the track. This area is Huawei's for the government, we call the National Digital Infrastructure. The acceleration of industry intelligence is not only significant in enterprises, but also in digitalization of public services. For example, Huawei Digital Village program in Africa has promoted inclusive connectivities, enhancing connection and convenience for local communities.
Yeah, wow, this digital village, it looks amazing.
Right in Muchila, a small village in southern Zambia, Huawei deployed a solar power station and provide network coverage. We also provide local schools with Idea Hub smart displays. Over 20,000 villagers can access electricity and internet, along with better online education and telemedicine services.
Yeah, this is amazing. It's really an example of using technology to improve people's lives.
Behind all of these industry solutions, we have innovations in various domains like network, storage, computing, and cloud. For example, the intelligent IP network, or optical network, or flash storage, and Huawei Cloud collaborate to provide a robust digital and intelligence infrastructure. Check out the optical fiber sensing solution. Fiber not only can transmit signals, but also can detect things like temperature, vibration, pressure. It's already adopted for scenarios like oil and gas pipeline, railway perimeters, and helping to ensure safe operating. Over there, we have the Huawei Cloud virtual avatar, Sarah. She's already integrated the Pangu, DeepSeek, Llama, all kinds of AI models. So you may start chatting by saying, "Hello, Sarah."
Oh, hello, Sarah. Tell me something about MWC 2025.
Huawei Cloud has opened up for the virtual avatar interface to our customers and partners in industries, allowing them to develop the custom virtual avatar solutions. Lastly, none of this would be possible without our collaboration with partners. Huawei has worked closely with more than 49,000 partners worldwide.
Yeah, behind this is the commercial market, but also Huawei eKit area, where Huawei's partner can really understand the latest product, but also the digital platforms.
We've also showcased live plate solutions and products designed specifically for small and medium-sized enterprise. These are easy to deploy and use, which reduce cost and delivery complexity. So our SME customers can also benefit from the digital and transformation technology.
Thank you for the fantastic tour, Denver.
Hope to see you in next year.
Yeah, definitely. To stay connected with the All In Talk, and let's continue exploring more innovations with Huawei enterprise business.